So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. I'm actually seeing a door, but it is lining lang, no? Parang may light na nag-shape ng door, no? Yeah, it's really a door, okay? Because I'm seeing a doorknob, no? And there's that light, no? Lining of light, no? It looks like you will enter some kind of a portal. It could be a new chapter here of your life. Huwag kayong mag-alala. It feels so positive. And I guarantee you guys that this is a beautiful reading right off the bat. Wow, Miss Yan, talaga. Yes, no. Alam mo, hayaan ko kayong pumasok dun sa pintuan na yon, no, kung alam ko naman na pwede kayong matakot there. Na ba kayo? Hindi ko kayo papahamak, no? So let us see what do we have here for you guys. And yes, just take only what resonates. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the army of angels and guardians ni collective. Can we get specific details, informations para po dun sa inyong pinakita sa aking vision? Thank you so much. Happy Sunday, everyone! Okay, let's go. Ace of Cups. Wow! Ace of Cups, the World card energy. What's happening right in here? Eight of Candles. We have here the Seven of Girls. And the Maiden of Cups. Wow, you feel so excited about this, sweetheart. At sino bang hindi ma-excite? Look at that. No, mamaya mapakita ko sa inyo. Ilalapit ko yan, no? Dito sa ating screen. At yun nga mga babes, no? Kung ano man ito, no? This is definitely a big news. Especially about you guys. Isang malaking balita patungkol sa'yo. At isang napakagandang positibong balita na pwedeng hindi mo agad-agad ipagkalat or ipagsabi sa iba kahit sa mga ka-close mo daw. So let me see, we have right in here the Devil. We have here, wow, the Devil and the Six of Candles energy is an energy here of something, no, nakaadikan mo ito. Wow, I just heard exact timing. Wow, parang isang ibig sabihin ng perfect timing right in here. I love the Hierophant dito. Oh, wow, look at that. See? Two confirmations of marriage. Are you just kidding me? Wow, we have the Four of Candles, who appears to be the Four of Wands, and the World. I do pick up right in here that this is your reading. Claim it already, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm seeing you excited, like so excited. Look at you. The Chariot. Wow. I love it. Three of Coins. Wow. Bottom of the deck, we have, yeah, definitely the Lord of Candles. Okay. Eight of Cups and the Knight of Coins. Ooh, may added pang information. Okay, so wow, exact timing ay atin ditong narinig. No, I just heard it. Exact timing. It's like an indication of perfect timing. Check na check. No, so nakikita natin dito, no, with the World card energy and the Ace of Cups, definitely a brand new person, mga babes, no, a person that will truly love you in the world. Wow, look at that. Beautiful marriage. This is your dream wedding, dream marriage right in here. This is more than wedding ceremony, okay? This is forever, infinity and be. Yeah, I just heard. Wow, everlasting. Yes, everlasting love it is. Okay, at yes, bukas na rito ang lagusan. Gawa na rin dito ang tulay. Huwag kayong mag-alala, wala naman ditong tatawid ng liwanag. Pero ang tatawid dito ay ang destined person mo tatawid papunta sa'yo. Exact timing ay magkakakilala na kayo. Here na siya, mga babes. Uy, exact timing na talaga ito at ito ang big news tungkol sa'yo. Eight of Kindles energy. Wow! Tuloy-tuloy na ito 'no, na magandang balita na ito at ba't big news miss 'yan? Kasi sa mga na-pick up ko, okey, eto yung energies na puwedeng ang tagal niyo na hindi kayo in relationship, ang tagal ninyo na hindi kayo rito, nagkaroon ng karelasyon 'no, like single kayo for too long at big news ito para sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo, especially sa inyong mga close loved ones, yung mga best friends mo 'no, or family mo dito, relatives 'no, yung mga coworkers mo na parang friends mo na rin. This is such a big news para sa kanila. Okey, at ikaw ito na hindi mo muna agad ipagsasabi sa iba with the Seven of Kills and there's this Maiden of Cups. Okay, this is you so excited in this type of new journey in love and I do see na kaaadikan mo ito 'no, at nakikita ko na hindi lang ikaw dito ang magpapatuloy nitong connection na 'to kundi dalawa kayo. Both of you with the Hierophant energy, I'm seeing you, both of you guys taking this connection to the next level. You will start as friends 'no, papuntang lovers. Sabagay natin ipagpatuloy itong napaka-great news talaga na ito 'no, for you guys. Nabatiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers ko, maraming salamat 'no, at nandito rin kayo palagi 'no, at sa mga puyaters, thank you so much 'no, na, "Uy matulog naman kayo." Thank you everyone! At yun nga tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. So just take only what resonates, okay? And syempre 'no, timeless din tayo dito. Pero hi chance! Ito ay nangyayari na in the background 'no, meron na ngayong mga nangyayari 'no, hulmado na rito ang mga sitwasyon 'no, na wow, okay, kumbaga parang gawa na 'no, ang istorya 'no, at ang mga karakter dito ay walang iba kundi ikaw. At ang iyong destined person 'no. Nakita natin dito that this is the type of energy na kaaadikan mo. Bakit? Kasi ito yung klase ng energy mga babes 'no, na parang ito yung first time na naramdaman mo talaga 'no, na itong tao na 'to ay parang magse-stay na talaga for life. Like for the first time that you meet this person right in here, mararamdaman mo na agad na hindi siya mangangaliwa, na hindi ka niya sasaktan in any way, shape, or form possible 'no. Like instantly 'no, straight up, this person here mararamdaman mo that he or she is the one. Yes. So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to na nakikita ko na magiging mabilis with this Six of Candles energy, ang inyo rito 'no, na connection like, konti lang rito yung, period na magiging magkaibigan kayo kasi tatawid na rin kayo agad-agad dito sa marriage 'no. Tignan mo naman una pa lang rito 'no, tumambad na sa'tin ritong harapan 'no, itong napakagandang mensahe about you getting married 'no. So, you're next in line 'no, sa wedding, sa marriage, sa forever 'no, na daanan dito 'no. So, I do pick up that with the Four of Candles energy. This is another confirmation here, sweetheart, that you're definitely getting married with the person destined sa'yo and you are really heading towards this direction 'no, para magkasama na kayo. You are so excited to tell the world that this is your person. You are so excited to proclaim that this is that kind of love you've been waiting for. Worth the wait it is. This person here, you might be meeting him or her, no? Sa'yo ritong business travels or related sa'yo ritong travel sa trabaho mo man yan, sa career, or sa negosyo mo. Or maybe baka katrabaho mo talaga or maging katrabaho mo talaga siya rito or connected sa trabaho mo. Just take how this resonates or the way of earning a living mo. Okay? Three of Coins energy, this person will support your dreams. Okay? Willing rin siya dito maglabas ng finances, no? To support your goals and dreams in life. Okay? This person right in here will support you all the way. Wow. So, kung sino rin 'tong energy na 'to nakita natin dito 'no, that the first time that you see this person here talagang mararamdaman mo ay kakaiba na. Yung iba talagang literal na magugustuhan mo na sila 'no, first sight pa lang 'no. Yeah, love at first sight, 'di ba? Yung iba akala ay crush at first sight or whatsoever 'no. Maybe this person right in here 'no is someone na puwedeng may itsura or someone rito 'no na, yeah, bonus na nga lang talaga na may itsura siya rito pero talagang this person here is very charming and at the same time very nice and thoughtful, very kind and at the same time very gentleman, gentlewoman. Wala tayo ditong gender by lalaki, LGBT. Lumalabas siya bilang dream girl or dream guy mo. Wow! LGBT super, of course, welcome din kayo. No, definitely, this is new love. This is your person right in here na makakasama mo sa mga morning chit-chats, no? Like, pagising mo pa lang sa umaga, no? Siya yung una mong makikita, no? And pag pikit mo sa gabi, siya rin yung katabi mo rito. So, definitely, you will be together with this person right in here. And with this book, I love it because you both will learn a lot sa life, no? Pero, okay, kahit na natututo kayo rito sa mga pinagdadaanan ninyo rito, no? Na dalawa parehas kayo rito, hawak kamay. Yes. Di nyo rito iiwan ng isa't isa. That's what I'm seeing right in here, no? I'm seeing right here wearing that wedding ring sa iyong finger. Yeah, no? I do pick up that you will be in this type of bond na hindi kayang paghiwalayan, lalo na ng tao lamang. Wow! So, sino man 'tong energy na 'to, parating na raw siya, Lord of Candles energy. I love it. Look at that, no? Someone here is preparing, no, na bumaba, no? Puwedeng this person right in here, no? Look at that big sail behind, no? So, isa itong malaking barko. Maybe this is cruise ship or whatsoever. This person right here is waiting for that na dumaong na ito ritong malaking, barko na ito, no, doon sa pier 'no or whatsoever 'no and siya rito ay bababa na 'no to meet you guys 'no. At yung iba naman rito doesn't have to be that it's via water 'no, puwede rin naman na ito ay via himpapawid like airplane or whatsoever but this person is coming in and look at that clothes, okay? This person here, okay, sa kanyang tindig, sa kanya rito 'no na itsura itong tao na 'to na mga babes kahit hindi ka magtrabaho mabubuhay ka. Yes, the Lord of Candles energy is the King of Wands. Hindi kayo nagkakamali. Ibig sabihin, this person right in here, pwedeng higit sa isa ang pinagkakakitaan niya. Successful siya rito na when it comes to his or her career, job, or even business. Pwede rin nga na parehas siyang ganon, no? Or may ganon. May trabaho, meron ding negosyo. No? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person is successful. And this person right here, I'm not talking with just other guy or with just other woman right in here, but I'm talking about your destined person. You'll soon meet this person here. And this person here, yung iba nga, ayan, no, dumaong na nga eh, no? Ito na nga yung polo. So, ibig sabihin, itong person na to, no, ay pwedeng, eh, andito na, nasa paligid mo na. Eight of Cups energy, Knight of Coins. This is another message, no? Meron ditong nalulumbay, nalulungkot, no? Dahil nakikita natin dito na itong tao na to ay posibleng hinihintay ka niya dito. Knight of Coins energy is an energy of your past lover, you know? Parang palaging fall, no? Yung kanyang season dito sa life 'no, yun mga naglalaglagan na autumn leaves 'no. So, I do pick up that this person right in here 'no, is waiting for you pero parang inagaw na siya rito. Kakahintay sa'yo kasi naka-block na siya eh, oh. Eight of Kills energy. So, I do pick up that kung sino man 'tong energy na ito 'no, hinihintay ka niya rito pero puwedeng hindi mo alam na hinihintay ka niya 'no. Wala rin niyang ginagawang aksyon 'no. I do pick up that this person here, you are no, contact kayong dalawa or, wala kayo ritong communication, okay. I do pick up disconnection sa inyong dalawa 'no, 'yan. So, kung sino man yung energy na 'yan, oo, hinihintay ka niya 'no, pero wala siyang ginagawa 'no. So, parang hinihintay ka niya, ikaw yung mauna. Pero ano na, meron ditong destined person na talagang nababagay para sa'yo at nakita ko na ito talaga yung ipu-pursue mo. This new person 'no, dahil diyan ka talaga naka-destined. Wow, 'yan ang tadhana mo. Sweetheart, no? Yeah, for the initials na tayo, yes, we do have. Unang-una na dyan ang letter M. Andito rin ang letter K. Andito rin mga babes na ang letter P. We also have here the letter Y. And for the rest of the letters, we've got U, A, N, J, B as in boy. And last but not the least, we've got the letter T. So, ito yung mga messages right here for ya, honey. Again, I'm your Yana Ani sa Arang Love and Light. Ani.